Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a digital asset with Rarible easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and go to the Rarible website. Once there, click on the Connect Wallet button in the upper right corner. Select the wallet you want to connect, such as MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between your wallet and Rarible. After the wallet is connected, navigate to the Create button on the home page. You will see two options, Create Single and Create Multiple. Choose Create Single if you want to create a unique digital asset, or Create Multiple for a collection. In the creation interface, upload the digital file you want to turn into an asset. Supported file types include images, audio, video, and other digital formats. Enter a name for your digital asset in the designated field. Provide a detailed description to explain what your asset is about. Set properties for your asset, such as royalties and unlockable content if applicable. You can choose to add attributes, levels, and stats to customize your creation further. Review the preview of your asset to make sure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, click on the Create Item button. A pop-up will appear, requesting you to sign the transaction through your wallet. Confirm the transaction in your wallet to proceed. After the transaction is processed, your digital asset will be created and listed on Rarible. You can manage your assets from your profile page. Congratulations, you have successfully created a digital asset with Rarible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.